Hey guys, this Mike here. In today's video, I'm just gonna go through some of the stuff, one of the routers I get from Amazon itself. The price seems pretty good. Selling pretty expensive in my country, but I get it. The price is pretty good over at Amazon at the time. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested. So, what this video will do is that I will set this up and I'll do some the testing and see whether the downloads, the network speed and everything is good for this particular, in terms of Wi-Fi performance, in terms of your network performance and stuff, whether things are loaded up properly. So this is the WRT32X. Seems huge, seems like a spaceship, so hopefully it will do well. Right, let's just get on with the setup process and I'll come back to you with the interface as well as the performance of how this router is looking at. Right, I'm not an expert network guy, so ultimately I'm not be able to show you like all the very technical stuff about this router. What I'm going to share with you is just my experience using it and how the interface looks like and how is the performance like in terms of day-to-day use in my house. Right, so yeah, let's just get on with it. Hey guys, after I plugged in all the 4 antennas, this router is pretty huge. Right, it just looks huge, frankly. So basically what they have is that they will have like 4 LAN ports. If you take a look at it, they have 4 LAN ports, 1 Ethernet port, USB 3 port and 1 USB eSATA port, and there's a power socket. So overall it's big. If you basically look at the hand and the router itself, it's pretty big, but it looks pretty slick. And hopefully it's good for the internet usage that I'm going to have at home. I'm currently using the Xiaomi router, which is pretty good as well, but I do find some glitches here and there. And generally this is for the new house where the coverage area is quite big, so I would need a few routers to run around, where one will be the main routing, definitely the others will be more on access point kind of related kind of thing. So yeah, just get on with the setup and see how the performance goes. Okay, so now we will be testing the speed test of the router WRT32X. The interface itself looks pretty fine. It's very simple, simplified look, easy to use. So far the response of the Wi-Fi has been pretty good, quick in terms of download speed and all stuff. As for the speed test alone, if you look at it, there are devices connected to the router itself, and and they are basically not stopping or anything. They're still using it, and the speed is still actually quite manageable and to hit the actual bandwidth of my particular internet speed. And the next test that I'm going to do is basically to transfer a huge file via Wi-Fi network and see how consistent the speed is going to be. Okay, for this test we are going to be transferring a file, the file roughly of the size of 1 gigabyte over via the Wi-Fi network, and we would be able to see how the speed and how long it takes to actually transfer the file itself. Okay, the transfer speed is actually hitting around consistently around 30 to 40 megabyte per second, and as I've mentioned before, the laptop I'm using, the Wi-Fi card actually connects roughly around 500 megabits per second, so the speed is pretty consistent that I get from it. So as a conclusion, the performance of this router basically works pretty solid, and of course, basically if you ask me as the original price, I think it would be a bit pricey, but for the price that I got it from, I think it's a pretty good deal. So if anyone is interested, I think they should actually try to get one and try it. It's pretty simple to set up and stuff,